Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can connect Siri with your Python code and that way run some automations like open Google, search on Google, open Netflix and anything else that you can do with Python. So let's get started. So let me show you what it does. So I'll run the Python code, Python and then voice.pyw. And now, as you see, it's taking for new notes. Now I'll say, hey Siri, make a note.
What do you want it to say?
Open Netflix.
Okay, I created a note.
Now as you see, it automatically opened Netflix. So yeah, you can do any automation with that. As long as it's in Python language, you can make everything like control your whole computer with Python, right? So yeah, you can do endless stuff. So let me show you how it works on code. So the way our app works is we connect Python with our Gmail, and then Gmail is connected with an app on iPhone called Notes. And then every time we ask Siri to create a note, we pass a keyword there, for example, open Google or Netflix or search. And that way we can fetch all of those notes and check every second if we got any new notes, and then if we got any new notes, check if there is a keyword on that, and then depending on that keyword we can do certain commands. So let me show you. So as you see right here, we pass our credentials for Gmail. Don't worry, I'll change them later. And then here we have some voice commands, the keywords I was talking about. So we have Chrome, Notepad, log off, shut down. And then we have the shell commands, start Chrome, start Notepad, shut down L, shut down H. And what we do here is fetch the Siri command. So this is a function, but this is the main function. So we log in with our credentials to Gmail. Then we get the email list, and from that list we get the notes. And then we get all the notes, we check for the latest emails, and if we got one, we have a while true. So we have a while loop, and every second we check for any new commands, and then we see if there is any keywords on them. So for example, I'm checking for the keyword search. So if there is a keyword search on the text, on the note that we made, then we run this command. Otherwise, we check for Netflix and we run that command. Or otherwise, we check for this list. So what happens here is we check if the keyword is Chrome. Then if it is, as you see, this is the first keyword. So we will run the first shell command. If we do log off, then this is the third keyword, so we will run the third command. So that's how it works. Now you see I have created the search function, and what we do here is pass all of the string and search it on Google. Here on Netflix we just open Netflix, and I'm using web browser for that. All of those you can download them with Python first. And that's mostly it. Let me show you what you have to do on your iPhone so you can make everything work and you can connect your iPhone with Gmail. So before we get to the iPhone tutorial, I wanted to show you where we get the notes from. So as you see, I already have connected my Gmail account to the Notes app, and as you will see right here, it created a category automatically that it's called notes. That's where we get all the notes from. So as you see, I have already created a note called open Netflix. Okay, so yeah, let's get on the tutorial now. So first of all, open your settings, scroll down until you find the Notes app. If you don't find it, just download it from the App Store. So once you click it, go to the default account and make sure it's Gmail. Back to Notes, go to accounts, add a new account. If you have an account already, as I am right here, add an account, sign in with Google, go back to accounts, and then go to your Gmail and make sure Notes is enabled. Otherwise, your Gmail will not be synchronized with Notes and we will not be able to get a note from there. If nothing is working after you do all of those steps, go to your Notes app, create a new note if you don't have one already. Save it, go back to the folders and get the folders from the iCloud, drag it and put it on the Gmail. That way, every new note now will be saved on the Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see next. Also, I have the code down in the description so you can download it and do anything you want with it. Make it better, do some upgrades, maybe even control your whole computer with Siri, right? And also, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe. It will really help me a lot. So yeah, bye bye.